It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2020 Ranger LARIAT in red with black interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 4-foot box. This also has a nice tonneau cover, as you can see, in a lined box, and it has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It has a trailer tow hitch, navigation, a rear sliding window, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, all-weather mats on the floor, and your lighting controls, as well as your high mount light. Your mirror controls are located there. And then you've got a running board, just making it easier to get in. And on the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, adaptive cruise control, your menu, and volume and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and the 2 menus. So let's go in there. On the left, display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. On the right, we're seeing entertainment, navigation, and phone, and you notice they change color as we go through. Little bin up top, the B&O badging, and as well, we have our display screen. I just turned down the volume. We have our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth, and you have climate. And so on there, you're seeing the dual climate control, the AC, and your rear defrost there, your front, whoops, let's get that screen out of here. And your front defrost is located there. And then we can turn on the navigation by touching on it. We've got the map. You can then search or put in the address that you want, and the settings, you can go in there and just touch. There we go. Bluetooth, navigation, general, which has the measurements in there, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You can change the look of your display screen, so you just slide through for what you want. There's your ambient lighting. Just touch on it and make your choices. And there's hazard lights, volume, and tuner. And then you have your front and rear defrost, your AC and max AC, a couple of 12 volts, USB outlets down there, and you have got your hill descent, auto stop start, locking differential, tow haul, parking sensors, traction control. There's your 4x4, and you've got your terrain management. So when you press that, or terrain modes, you've got your grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, and we can go back around to normal. So as road conditions changes and the weather changes, you can adapt to that. You have an automatic select shifter, emergency parking brake, a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. Lots of room in there. And then off to the side is your glove compartment, grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. You have your lighting controls, as well as sunglass holder, and you're all set to go. Wheels, running board, body colored door handle, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and you've got a lockable tailgate, as well backup sensors on your bumper, and below the Ford badge is where your backup camera is located, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, you simply lift the handle. Comes down easily. It's a nice lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have a tonneau cover. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. There's seating for 3 in the back, and you've got the armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders. Just pop this up, and there is a tab on either end. You just have to pull one though, and it brings the whole bench seat up. And then you've got a nice little bin and your jack under there. Pull it again, it'll come right down. And you have all weather mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, USB outlets in the 110, dome lighting up top, hooks and handles off to the side, and in the back, access to a sliding window, as well as rear defrost. Tonneau cover and 4-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, front sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.